Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Cyrano. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a pair of headphones from this company called SuperEQ, which is basically a sub-brand from another company called One Audio. And these guys do create excellent sound quality when it comes to headphones. And the on One Audio 830s are one of my favorites. But let's just jump into it right after. Now, this is a pretty sweet deal right now. You can get these for $59.99, but then when you throw in the coupon, which will save you an extra 10% when you apply these to the checkout, you'll definitely get them for about like $40 something, which is kind of crazy. But they do have the black and red, and they also do have the white and red, and I definitely like the black and red combination. I just like the color black as well, and I just really like how much attention to detail that they do give you when you are using these earbuds, because they're going to have a lot of really cool features, and they come with that soft case, not the hard case. So I just kind of want to throw that out there. And these are the over ear fit, but with the ears that I have, they will be kind of tight, right? It will be a little bit tight. Airplane adapter, micro USB, which kind of sucks, but it's still pretty cool that they do offer one in there. They do offer a 3.5mm headphone jack as well. They do have Super EQ on the right and left, side of these, which is kind of cool. But they don't have that swivel feature. They only have the folding mechanism, and it does say "be free" on one side. And then it does have all the buttons as well as all the ports on one side as well. I believe it's the right side. And then you do have some really nice flex on these. They will fit over the ear, right? But it's a little bit of a tight fit, right? Because I just have really large ears. My ears are just, compared to the normal person, I have really big ears. They stick out. They tend to stick out a lot on the side or whatever. But these earphones, headphones or whatever, do have 5 microphones, so you can talk outdoors with these. And it's pretty straightforward with the literature that they do provide. They give you a warranty for 24 months, right? They're also going to give you warnings and cautions on there as well. And they're also going to give you a quick start guide with the frequently common questions that are asked for most of the time, right? And then they're also going to give you that user manual, which has all the buttons and all the features with the button placement and everything of that nature, so you can understand them very well. And the pairing process is really straightforward with these guys, and I just kind of want to talk about the overall setup. Is really easy to get used to. You compare 2 devices on this thing maximum, so I just want to let you guys know that. But let's just jump into the way that these sound and deliver audio, which is really crazy because they're going to have 40mm neodymium magnetic drivers, which are going to give you hi-fi sound and thumping bass every time you listen to your song. So if you're the type of person that likes, I don't know, like hip hop or R&B with a lot of deep bass in it, or maybe just rock and roll with the guitar riffs and the snares and the drum rolls and everything like that with the cymbals in the back, these will have a really good sound quality no matter what you're listening to, because that high-res audio is going to deliver extremely good music quality whatever you're listening to. And I just really can't emphasize how good they fit, because they do have this slide down mechanism which will allow you to customize the length of the ear cups on your ear, and that determining how far you pull that down will determine how they will fit. So it's really a universal headphone for either women or men, right? So it doesn't matter if you're listening to these outdoors or whatever. It's still going to have a really nice breathable feel and function overall, and they have a nice really tight fit. So if you're the type of person who is active and is going to be using these maybe outdoors or something like that, you won't have any issues with them sliding on your head, because the tight fit is going to be crazy. And I could barely use these without sliding down the head strap on these, so I definitely had to slide that down on both sides to get the right fit. And when it comes to the sound quality of these, the first thing you're going to notice is that punchy bass, which is kind of crazy. It's going to punch, it's going to hit, it's going to have a nice drum in it, it's going to have a nice vibration in it when you're listening to sounds. And the instrument sound separation was pretty decent on these. It was really good. And even when I was listening to like videos or something like that on YouTube or Netflix, the lips and the words did match. And then when I was actually using these, they fit right over my ear, right? my ears are kind of they're above average when it comes to the size of them. So I just kind of want to let you guys know that. But overall, they won't swivel on your neck. So I just kind of want to throw that out there, that they won't swivel on your neck, if that's a big deal or not. But they do have that folding function, so they're very portable. And when it comes to listening to these guys, it's just got a really nice, tremendous sound quality to it. So I can't stress how good that is. And there was a learning curve with the buttons, but volume up had 2 dots on it to indicate that in like a braille like fashion, and then volume down had like 1 dot, so that's how you could differentiate it just by the touch. And then the EQ button did control the transparency mode as well as the ANC mode. And if you do a single tap, it'll turn on the super, you know what I'm saying, isolation of, and it does block out fans, engines, you know what I'm saying, motors, things of that nature. So I did like the fact that when I was listening to the overall, you know what I'm saying, you know what I mean, the cancellation mode on these does block out about 33 dBs of ambient noise, and that's going to be really solid when you're listening to these. And like I said, you will get about 45 hours of listening time when you have them on 60% volume. So these do come with the 3.5 millimeter auto cable. You could just plug it into your device and it can be used in wired or Bluetooth mode, but just keep in mind that you won't get volume controls on the side when it has the wired mode. So I just kind of want to throw that out there. And like I said, in wired mode, the active noise cancellation function only works when the headset is powered on for the ANC function. So you do have to have that powered on. It can't have a low battery for you to have the ANC to operate. And the playtime is pretty good. You'll get about 50 hours with the wired noise cancellation mode, but you will get about 45 hours with the Bluetooth mode. And then when you do have the Bluetooth with the noise cancellation, you'll get about 40. So that's pretty much what I was getting when I was listening to these. And you also do get a really nice distance of 40 millimeters of the speaker. The driver out of the speaker is 40 millimeters, which is going to be large, and it's just going to deliver really nice sound. And this thing does have that ambient sound mode, so when the music will automatically lower and speech will amplify through the microphones, which will give you easy access to chatting with people when you have these on, so you don't have to take them off to have conversations, because that technology, that pass-through ambient sound, bionic hearing technology, will allow you to have better conversations when you have these on, because of the technologies that these do have to offer. And like I said before, they're going to have that outdoor with the SuperEQ mode built in with the 5 microphones and exclusive reduction algorithm. In real time, it'll cancel out background noises and ensure that the voices that you're hearing won't, you know what I'm saying, you won't be in the conversation, like people around you and things of that nature. You'll definitely be able to get that active noise cancellation to block out the world around you. So if that's something that's important to you, then these definitely do it. These definitely will reduce the sound of people chatting in the background. It won't completely block it out, right? But if you need to concentrate or whatever, and you just hear people's voices or something like that, and it's starting to get annoying, you could throw these on real quick and it will help you stay focused, and you can just listen to some of your favorite tracks. And like I said, you can pair these to 2 devices maximum, and the pairing process is pretty straightforward. It'll say SuperEQ S1, and that's pretty cool, right? So I definitely think that these do have a nice memory foam ear cups. They're not the softest ones that I've ever, you know what I'm saying, felt in the entire world, but they are nice. And, you know what I'm saying, they will mold around your ears really, really comfortably while the headphones are on. And while the headphones are on, it has like the rotating joints, which automatically angle, you know what I'm saying, and adjust the ear cups to fit the size of your head. So you'll get a pretty nice fit, and it won't give you like that pressure point feeling when you're actually like wearing them. So I just kind of want to throw that out there, that you won't feel all those pressure points, and you can wear them with glasses without feeling that tension on the side of your head. So I just kind of want to throw that out there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and throw up an audio sample up in just a second so you guys can hear the sound quality of the microphones, but with the CVC 6.0 technology, I think these deliver. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the microphones coming out of the, you know what I'm saying, earphones. Let me know how the microphones do sound right now. Hey guys, this is a quick microphone test on the SuperEQ S1s. Let me know how the microphones sound right now in an outdoor environment. But if you are considering these headphones, which are the SuperEQs, definitely check out the link that I did leave down below, and it will be discounted 10% off when you do hit that. And like I said, depending on your ear size or, shape of your head, it may be a little tight, so you may have to adjust the strap to match the size of your head. But like I said, with that external noise cancellation as well as the anti-noise sound waves, and then the complete block out of surrounding things, these things offer a lot of features for a really good price point, and I just can't stress how good these feel. But I'm gonna leave you right now. I'm gonna get back right with you, and I'm gonna show up in the comment section later, crew. Peace.